Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine. Welcome you again to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let's recall what all things we have discussed in previous class. In the previous class, we have learned about transparent objects, translucent objects, and opaque objects. What is transparent object? Transparent objects which allow light to pass through them. What is translucent object? Which allow light to pass through them partially. What about opaque objects, which do not allow light to pass through them? I hope all of you have studied the notes. So today we will talk about shadow. What is shadow? Shadow is a dark shade that is formed when object blocks source of light. Let us understand it better with the help of some examples.
Do you observe your shadow in a dark room or at night when there is no light? Do you observe a shadow when there is just a source of light and nothing else in a room? Let us see. Let's look at this tree. So, this tree is blocking light. So, light is able to pass to all this area, but only some portion is blocking. That is why light is not able to reach. So that part will remain dark. That dark part is seen as a shadow. Shadow is not an object. It is not an image. It is just that part where light could not reach. Light could not reach because it was blocked by an opaque object. Now what is an opaque object? Opaque objects which does not allow light to pass through them. When we stand in the sun, you are able to see your shadow. So, how do you see that shadow? Because our body is an opaque object. We do not allow light to pass through us. That is why shadow is formed behind us. Now, let us see some example. Now think of that you are going to the market on a sunny day and the sun is shining bright on your face. You will see your shadow behind you. The same day in the evening, you're out in the park. The sun rays fall on your back. You see your shadow on the ground front of you. After a while, sun sets and there are no more shadows. Now you might be thinking how shadows are formed. Shadows are formed when an opaque object is placed across the path of light. Shadows can be seen only on a screen. The ground, walls of a room, buildings, and other such surfaces act as screen. Shadows are always formed in the direction opposite to the source of light. In the morning, since you were facing the sun, the shadow was behind you. In the evening, sun was behind you and shadow was forming in front of you. When the sun sets, there was no light. Hence, there were no shadows. So, dear children, This was all about shadows. In the next class, we will study some activity related to the shadow and shapes of shadows.
So dear students, today we have discussed about shadows. I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom. And there will be a test paper related to this topic. So all of you attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.